Las Vegas, Nevada. A desert oasis teeming with over-the-top spectacle and high-stakes competition. And this April, scene of the first ever USA Rock, Paper, Scissors Championship.
Sports are essentially soap operas for men. And men don't really need soap operas. Real men just play sports like rock, paper, scissors.
257 competitors, men and women, average age 26.8 years old, in a single elimination tournament where 2 out of 3 throws wins a bout, and 2 out of 3 bouts wins a match. To the winner, $50,000.
This is pretty awesome. The fact that they're taking rock, paper, scissors, which we did when we were kids, and for $50,000 is amazing.
This can be the Super Bowl, but the thing about rock, paper, scissors is anyone can play.
The first evidence of rock, paper, scissors is found in the cave paintings in France. We can follow it historically through the time of the Egyptians, when the Egyptians created papyrus, and of course it was known as rock papyrus spear.
Contestants were flown in for this year's championship from all around the country after winning regional tournaments in their neighborhood bars.
Come on, baby! The champ is here! We're Michigan! South Carolina representing
Texas! That's it!
In the arena of rock, paper, scissors, Master Rochambola is a self-proclaimed legend.
Rock, paper, scissors mastery was not a path that I chose. It was definitely thrust upon me. To some extent, I'm the Bobby Fischer of rock, paper, scissors. To another extent, Bobby Fischer is the Master Rochambola of chess.
The rules for RPS are simple. Rock beats scissors. Paper covers rock. Scissors cut paper.
Rock is mentioned first. It is the most primordial throw, typically seen as a sign of aggression. Now, the next throw, of course, is the paper. It can also be delivered this way, palm up, which is also known as serving a subpoena. Scissors have 2 sides, so it's almost in many ways a two-faced throw. It's the throw of the trickster.
At this competition, rock, paper, scissors was reduced to equal but opposing forces. Ladies and gentlemen.
You have to be able to read people's minds. I can do that.
We have really embodied that Zen philosophy, and we're saying to our players, if you want to become a better player, you must be able to get into the head of your opponent.
Be your opponent, and then you will beat your opponent.
And figuring out what they're going to think about what's inside my head, and then reacting to that inside their head. Very psychological, definitely.
This game, I believe, is just as complex as the mind of your opponent.
Christina Hartman belongs to Mensa, a group whose members' IQs rank in the top 2% of the population. She claims her IQ has been tested as high as 172, seemingly ahead of this competition's collective curve.
My name is Sandy Pinkham. I am from Boston, Massachusetts, and my occupation is a human being.
Wow!
That's what I do.
As the tournament moves to the big stage for the Sweet 16, humanity prevails over intellect.
For me personally, it's a game of luck. It's whatever
Well-known boxing referee Richard Steele presides over the final rounds.
I'm hoping that rock, paper, scissors will grow to the height that some of the big fights like the Rlinets and the Haglers and Muhammad Ali and all of them.
Do you worry that rock, paper, scissors could hurt your boxing street cred?
No, not really. You know, it's a job, and they know that I'd take any job.
After 6 hours of spirited competition, only 2 are left standing. Dave McGill, a 30-year-old college student from Omaha, Nebraska, and Rob Twitchell, a carpenter from St. Louis, Missouri.
I have no strategy at all.
McGill was defeated when his back-to-back throws of rock were covered by McGill's unorthodox strategy of paper.
What were you thinking? I mean, on that last one, because there's no way he comes back with it.
No, that's what I was thinking. There ain't no way he throw the same twice, and he did. I give a guy credit. He's a good guy. Good thing he won, you know.
What does it feel like to throw down for $50,000?
Feels pretty special. You know, I would compare it to being Swayze after the filming of Roadhouse. I'm very good at it.